What's up, everyone? This is Spencer at West Coast Pedalboard. Today we're going to show you a little bit of DIY parts, these little wah plates that we have. We make these for pretty much all the popular wah, expression, and volume pedals. They're these acrylic plastic pieces. They come with a little bit of Velcro, new stainless steel mounting hardware, and Eugene's going to show you how to put this baby together. Thanks. What's up, Eugene? You gonna show everybody how to do this real quick?
Yep.
Right.
It takes a couple of minutes. Start here.
What do we got there? Got a little crybaby wah.
Crybaby.
Okay.
Get your feet off.
If you have a battery compartment like this one, that's going away forever, so don't expect to use that anymore. You don't want to use that anyways. You want to just plug it into a power supply.
We threw a little heat shrink over this one just to tuck it away. Then you get your plate.
So the plate comes countersunk with the new stainless steel screws. And doesn't that look cool? Looking in there, see all the circuitry? The reason why we made these is these wah pedals are notoriously not pedalboard friendly. So you can see here, when you take these feet out, the top part of the screw has a big head on it. And when you put the Velcro down onto the surface here, it doesn't actually let you make a complete seal. So these screws are countersunk in, and you'll see with this Velcro here, that's also included. It makes a nice, easy bond, and it's about a 2-minute project. We make these for pretty much all the most popular wah pedals, expression, and volume pedals.
And then bring it over here to your board.
There it goes. See, there's one for the exotic effects too.
There it is.
Solid.